Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Mie, Japan.
Me? That sounds peaceful and mysterious.
Yes, Mie is famous for Ise Shrine, beautiful coastlines, pearls, aquariums, local food, and sacred nature.
Haha, that sounds like a very special trip.
Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy the trip, and learn little by little.
Today, our topic is a beautiful day in Mie.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to Ise in Mie.
Thanks, Emily. The town feels calm and traditional.
Yes, Ise is known for its spiritual atmosphere.
Spiritual is a useful word here.
Spiritual means connected to the heart, mind, or sacred things.
This town has a spiritual atmosphere.
Good sentence. This town has a spiritual atmosphere.
This town has a spiritual atmosphere.
You can also say, I want to walk slowly here.
I want to walk slowly here.
That sounds natural.
I am ready to explore Mie.
Great. Let's start with Ise Shrine. Now, we are visiting Ise Shrine.
This place feels quiet and sacred.
Ise Shrine is one of the most important shrines in Japan.
How can I speak respectfully here?
You can say, I want to be respectful.
I want to be respectful.
Respectful means kind, careful, and polite.
I want to be respectful.
You can also say, this place feels sacred.
This place feels sacred.
Sacred means very special and holy.
Haha, even my footsteps feel loud here.
That is because the forest is so quiet.
This shrine feels peaceful and sacred.
After the shrine, let's walk through Okage Yokocho.
This street looks lively and nostalgic.
There are traditional shops and local foods.
Nostalgic is a nice word.
Nostalgic means it reminds you of the past.
This street feels nostalgic.
Good sentence. This street feels nostalgic.
This street feels nostalgic.
You can also say, I want to try local snacks.
I want to try local snacks.
That is very useful when traveling.
Haha, I always learn food English very quickly.
That is a good motivation.
This street is lively, nostalgic, and delicious. Emily, I am hungry now.
Then we should try Ise Udon.
Ise Udon looks soft and thick.
It has thick noodles and a rich sauce.
How can I order it politely?
You can say, I'd like Ise Udon, please.
I'd like Ise Udon, please.
Good. It is simple and polite.
The noodles are soft and tasty.
Soft means not hard.
The noodles are soft and tasty.
Mie is also famous for Akafuku, a sweet rice cake with red bean paste.
Akafuku looks simple and elegant.
Simple and elegant is a perfect phrase.
Haha, ni is very good at making me hungry.
Next, let's visit Toba Aquarium.
I love aquariums. The blue light is beautiful.
Toba Aquarium is famous for many sea animals.
How can I describe the fish?
You can say, the fish are colorful.
The fish are colorful.
Colorful means full of many colors.
The fish are colorful.
You can also say, this aquarium is fun for all ages.
This aquarium is fun for all ages.
That is useful when talking about travel spots.
The aquarium feels relaxing and exciting.
That is a very natural sentence. Toba is also connected to pearls.
Pearls? That sounds elegant.
Let's learn about pearls at Mikimoto Pearl Island.
These pearls look beautiful.
Good sentence. These pearls look beautiful.
These pearls look beautiful.
You can also say, this necklace is elegant.
This necklace is elegant.
Elegant means beautiful in a refined way.
This necklace is elegant.
Pearls are small, but they can feel very special.
Haha, I should not touch anything expensive.
That is probably a wise idea.
Pearls make this place feel elegant and calm.
Now, let's go to Ago Bay in Shima.
Wow, the bay has many small islands.
Ago Bay is famous for its beautiful sea and island views.
How can I describe this view?
You can say, the sunset is breathtaking.
The sunset is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means very beautiful and amazing.
The sunset is breathtaking.
You can also say, the sea is calm.
The sea is calm.
Calm means quiet and peaceful.
The sea is calm and the sunset is breathtaking.
Beautifully said. Next, let's see Meoto Iwa, the wetted rocks.
The rocks look special and symbolic.
They are connected by a sacred rope.
Symbolic is a useful word.
Symbolic means it has a deeper meaning.
The rocks are symbolic.
You can also say, the sunrise looks beautiful behind the rocks.
The sunrise looks beautiful behind the rocks.
That is a little long, but very natural.
This place feels spiritual and peaceful.
Yes, it is a beautiful coastal spot.
Haha, Nie has many places that make me quiet.
Mie also has part of the Kumano Kodo pilgrimage routes.
This forest path feels ancient.
Many people have walked these paths for a long time.
How can I describe this path?
You can say, this path feels ancient.
This path feels ancient.
Ancient means very old, often from a long time ago.
This path feels ancient.
You can also say, I want to walk carefully.
I want to walk carefully.
Carefully means slowly and with attention.
The forest is quiet, and the path feels ancient.
That is a very strong travel sentence. Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. I am ready to explore me.
I am ready to explore me.
Number 2. I want to be respectful.
I want to be respectful.
Number 3. This street feels nostalgic.
This street feels nostalgic.
Number 4. I'd like Ise Udon, please.
I'd like Ise Udon, please.
Number 5. The fish are colorful.
The fish are colorful.
Number 6. This necklace is elegant.
This necklace is elegant.
Number 7. The sunset is breathtaking.
The sunset is breathtaking.
Number 8. This path feels ancient.
This path feels ancient.
Now, let's practice shadowing.
Please repeat after us.
I am ready to explore me.
I am ready to explore Mie.
I want to be respectful.
I want to be respectful.
This street feels nostalgic.
This street feels nostalgic.
I'd like Ise Udon, please.
I'd like Ise Udon, please.
The fish are colorful.
The fish are colorful.
This necklace is elegant.
This necklace is elegant.
The sunset is breathtaking.
The sunset is breathtaking.
This path feels ancient.
This path feels ancient.
Great job. Your English is getting better.
Ha ha, little by little, we are becoming better travelers.
Today, we visited Mie and practiced easy English.
We enjoyed Ise Shrine, Okage Yokocho, Ise Udon, Akafuku, Toba Aquarium, Pearls, Ago Bay, Meoto Iwa, and the Kumano Kodo.
Mie was spiritual, peaceful, delicious, elegant, and full of beautiful sea and forest views.
I really enjoyed the shrine, the food, the aquarium, and the sunset.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice little by little every day.
What place should we visit next?
Aichi, Gifu, Wakayama, Nara, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.